Let's have a look at the question.
Each of these questions below consists of a question and three statements, number 1, 2, and 3 given below it. You have to decide whether the data provided in the statements are sufficient to answer the question. Read all the statements and give answer. What is the cost of fencing a rectangular plot? Length of plot is twice its breadth. Area of the plot is 288 square meters. Cost of the fencing is 4 per meter. If you want to know the cost of fencing, without the cost per meter or without any cost, you're not able to answer the question. It means 3 is mandatory. I can eliminate this one. Now look here, I'll move on with only 3. Cost of fencing is 4 per meter, but we don't know what it is. We don't know what is the area. Nothing is there. So can I say A is not possible? Just by knowing the cost per meter, we cannot answer it unless and until we are given with the proper data. So I'll check out with this. That's nothing but going out with 2 and 3 now. I'll take this. Area of the plot is 288 square meter. Now, when the area is known, there are many possibilities. They have not mentioned square plot. It's a rectangular plot. So 288 can be taken in any ways. It can be 2 into 144. Getting it? It can be 2 into 144, or it can be 4 into 72. So it's based on that. Fencing is completely based on the perimeter. Fencing will be done across the plot, perimeter, but you will not get to know just by the area. So just with 2, it is not possible. I can eliminate this. Next, length of the plot is twice its breadth. Yes. Now with this, I can get to know what will be the length, what will be the breadth. By combining 1 and 2, you'll get to know what is the length and breadth. If you know that, cost of fencing is also done. So I can say all 1, 2, and 3 is sufficient or is required to answer the question.
Thanks for watching, and for more updates on similar videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.